Five super effective tricks to help you take meeting minutes fast. 1. Take minutes in real time. This way, you don't forget important information. Use the meeting agenda as your guide. 2. Keep it short and to the point. You don't need to record each and every word. Be concise and document the broad topics, votes, and who's for and who's against, decisions and actions. 3. Be neutral and state facts only. Do not add your personal observations, your own judgment, participants' attitude when voting on a subject matter, comments on one another, or any notes of the like. 4. Abbreviate participants' names into their initials. Using initials save time and effort for both the note-taker and the reader. Go the extra mile and denote those initials next to the full names in the attendance section. 5. Read the minutes after the meeting to fill in missing context. Make sure that your meeting notes are clear and understandable enough for someone who hasn't even been to the meeting.
Adam.ai, your all-in-one meeting management software.